Hi, it's David at Discount Forklift. I'm standing here with your beautiful BOBCAT T750. Her name is Cheryl. She got a name tag on both sides. She really likes it. If you call her by name, she'll perform better. Before we jump into that, I want to show you real quick. I'm going to include a couple of things for you. Here is a maintenance guide. This is actually designed for forklifts, but it'll work very well for this too. There's lots of good tips in here and maintenance tracking and whatnot. One of the best things is behind this tab right here. There is all these forms. You've got a daily form, you've got a weekly form, you've got a monthly form. I suggest that you take these, photocopy them, keep the originals in the book. That way you'll always have the originals when you need them. I'm going to put this in this nice little tote bag here. I'm going to send along with you. I am also going to send you a shirt. Here's our new Lift Hero forklift shirt. And I've got a hat here that is for another brand of forklifts that we sell. This is the Octane hat. Like these Octanes a lot. I'm going to put both those in there and send this along with you. Let's walk around the machine here real quick. As you can tell, you know she's got the tracks on her. She is got the bucket. I'm going to have my friend Joe here jump in and run through procedures, safety procedures, and operational, and give you a little demo. Joe?
This right here is going to be your traction lock override switch. Select that. You have your feet positions here, down and up, tilt and forward. Pushing back here will lift up. Pushing back here, tilt up. Pushing forward, tilt forward. This is your parking brake, on and off. Now we'll get into the functions of this truck.
Thanks, Ken. Hope this machine makes you a bunch of money, saves a bunch of backs. I want to show you the serial number on here too, and tell you that we appreciate you doing business with us so we can support small businesses like yours. Thank you.